a big part of it is going to be a labor shortage. We're going to have to look at immigration. We're going to have to look at overseas recruitment and training of personnel to meet the labor that's going to be required to build these projects that we now have in hand. That's going to be likely the single biggest one facing us. The other is competition, a lot of foreign competition, because other markets have dried up. So we're seeing Europeans, we're seeing US contractors all move into the Canadian space. So the foreign competition and being able to maintain fee levels in order to be profitable are going to be very tough right across the board in the Canadian marketplace. I think a big part of it obviously is training of our employees. Another big part is overseas recruitment. We've been doing it for years. We did it during the last boom in Western Canada. We've been doing it now, and it's not only for the hourly workforce or skilled tradespeople, but it's also on the management side of the business also. Countries like Ireland have been a big push. South Africa we've been involved in. Scotland, Britain, basically that area of the country we seem to be looking the most at. We've also been looking at Mexico and South America also. A very prestigious award, mainly because it's it's recognition by your employees, that they recognize that you're doing this. Recently we've gone on 2 big expansions at our corporate headquarters in Edmonton. The first being the Ross Grieve Centennial Learning Center. We achieved a LEED Gold certification on that building. We're presently building another structure on campus, and again, it'll be a LEED certified building when we're completed it. So we walk the walk. We're doing what we think is right, and our employees recognize it. Most of it is all standard practice. Years ago, to get a LEED certified building, people would say it would cost you 10% more, it would cost you 7%, 8%. Most of to get LEED certification today is just common sense and good practices. And we're seeing that incorporated in all the projects we do now.